Without cops, who would harass cancer patients who carry their medication in their vehicles?
You need to step out of the motor.
No, we did not hit him.
Do anything. Do you guys have a search warrant?
Ma'am, you need to step out of the motor vehicle right now.
If you don't unlock this door, you'll be charged with obstruct police.
So you need to open the door for us. Otherwise, we're going to have to take you out of the vehicle in a way you won't like.
The window will be smashed and you will be taken out of the vehicle unless you unlock the window.
This video is brought to you by two of our brand new designs, Stop the Pignorance and My Rights Don't End Where Your Fears Begin. Grab a couple shirts and support the work on this channel. The link is in the description. This is Ashley. Before I show you her recent ridiculous police interaction, it's important to note that she's been diagnosed with stage 4 colon cancer. After receiving her first round of chemotherapy, as is typical with most people, she began losing her hair. Her doctors have prescribed for her a medication called gabapentin. And of course, the cops are going to have something to say about that in a minute. Gabapentin is in a class of medications called anticonvulsants. It treats seizures by decreasing normal excitement in the brain. Gabapentin can also relieve the pain of PHN by changing the way the body senses pain. Ashley has to take gabapentin 3 to 4 times a day, so she carries them wherever she goes, including in her van. On this particular night, she claims, we were trying to come home but got pulled over by the Winter Road security. Then this guy goes and stands in front of my vehicle and then said, we hit him with my vehicle. We almost get put in jail as a result of this, and police saying my meds are narcotics, which they ain't. Apparently, this happened in Ontario, Canada, near Wigamo Lake Indian Reservation. Now, there are only 3 parts of this video and no part is left out. So you're going to see everything that was made available to us by Ashley.
Search, and this guy is the one. No, Mom, just stay.
Hey!
Mom, stay.
I know. Well, let's go.
Okay. What? He said, go ahead, hit me.
Oh, the people are here.
No, they're not. Not yet.
This time.
But it should come though right away. Security.
You see?
Hi, you need to step out of the vehicle.
You have a warrant?
So you hit him with your motor vehicle, you need to step out of the motor vehicle.
No, we
No,
didn't.
we did. I'm just pushing up.
It doesn't matter, you've made contact.
No, we didn't.
No.
You need to step out of the motor
No.
vehicle.
No, we did not hit him.
Can't do anything.
So at this point now, he's asking, is the client telling you that you had to step out of the vehicle? That's not up for debate what you did, okay? He's telling you to get out of the vehicle.
Do you guys have a
So-
search warrant?
Ma'am, you
What?
need to step out of the motor vehicle right now, okay?
Under what reasons?
Well, if you hit him with your motor
You
vehicle...
did. We didn't. I have it on
We
recording.
said-
I got it on
You
recording.
have it on recording?
Yes.
Awesome. Can you show me that recording?
Yeah.
We're not doing anything. Trust me.
So, I'm gonna explain this very quickly. If you don't unlock this door, you'll be charged with obstruct police. You'll be charged with obstruct police.
You'll be charged with obstruct police.
Okay?
I
Because
how?
The door was open, and now you locked it.
I have it on video.
In plain sight, she had pills in the door. So
That's
the
my
driver-
pills, though.
Okay,
matter,
that doesn't make a
it's
difference.
accessible to the driver.
Pardon me?
It's accessible to the driver. So under the law, if it's accessible to
This
the
is my
driver,
van, though.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, it does.
She is driving the vehicle.
No, it's my vehicle, though.
Then we're going to charge you with obstruct as well. So you need to open the door for us. Otherwise, we're going to have to take you out of the vehicle in a way you won't like. So
Why? What did I do?
The window will be smashed, and you will be taken out of the vehicle unless you unlock the window. Unlock the door.
Okay, but what do you need the door unlocked for, though?
I can't hear you. I'm sorry. What?
Why do you need the door unlocked?
Because we need to find out what those pills are.
Oh,
It
they're mine, though.
doesn't matter.
So you're just gonna look at the name?
Okay, if you don't open the door, man.
No, I'm just asking. Are you just gonna look at the name on them?
Your vehicle is also going to be impounded, and you're going to be stuck here.
No, I'm just asking. Are you just gonna look at the name?
Sorry?
Are you just gonna look at the name, like the bottle?
Absolutely.
Oh. That's all I have to say. Those are my pills.
Okay.
Now, from what I can tell by the insignia on these uniforms, these aren't just security guards. These guys are with the OPP, the Ontario Provincial Police.
And what's your name, sorry?
Ashley?
No.
Ashley?
Yeah? What do you mean, no? Those are mine.
I got that, but these are gabapentin.
Those are
within
Gabby
reach.
Penton,
She has
though.
cancer.
I got that, but these cannot be within reach of the driver.
They're
Right?
what in the reach?
They
And your car
switched.
smells like weed.
How does it smell like
Your car
weed?
smells like weed.
So that is right in the cup holder, or the
Yeah,
door handle,
'cause
or
there's-
the driver? That's the driver position of the vehicle. That is right there.
Because they switched spots before we drove in.
We're just
She was
switching
tired.
because I was tired.
But so then you were driving then.
Yeah, I was
And then it's still
driving.
within reach of a driver.
But I have
It doesn't-
cancer. I have colon
okay.
cancer. I'm terminal.
And-
And that's why I have all these
But
pills.
you cannot have medication like that. That's within reach
I
of a
know. I
driver.
have medication all over because I had cancer and I have to have access to it. I just got discharged from the hospital
Okay. When did you get discharged from the hospital?
like a week ago, and that's why I have all these pills. Like I was supposed to get more, and I have
Hospital?
Thunder Bay
Thunder Bay. Okay.
Regional,
Okay.
and I have it from my pain doctor, Dr. Bizance, and he's the one who prescribed me all these pills, and I just picked them up, and that's
not-
why we have them in my
I'm
vehicle.
not disputing that, but you need to understand something. You cannot have these anywhere that is accessible.
But it's my vehicle,
hey,
though. Like, where would I
listen,
put it?
listen,
Where am I
listen,
gonna
Put it
put?
on the trunk then.
Why?
Put it.
We
I have to have it
hey,
on my person
hello?
because I have to take them all the time.
Hi.
I take them
We have an
3-4
issue
times
here
a
where I let
day.
you talk, but you don't let me
No,
talk.
but I'm just saying I have to take them
Okay, so you
3-4
said
times a
that.
day.
Now listen, stop talking and listen to me. If you don't want to get stopped here, you're going to listen to me, okay? You cannot have a narcotic within reach of anybody in the front seat, driver's seat of the vehicle.
Well, I
Yours
did
or
not know that. Like, can I just have my pills then?
But it doesn't. You cannot claim ignorance.
I'm not claiming ignorance because it's my
No,
vehicle.
listen,
I was
you
just
cannot claim
driving.
ignorance, just like you cannot claim ignorance if you didn't know that you can't kill
No,
someone.
I wasn't.
You can't have open alcohol. You can't have narcotics in the front seat. You cannot have a narcotic. You can't have narcotics in the front seat.
Okay, first of all, I'm not a medical professional, and I personally had to look up gabapentin to familiarize myself with what it is. And there's nothing in my research that indicates that this medication is a narcotic, and I couldn't find any driving restrictions attached to a prescription of gabapentin. Only this from Mayo Clinic. Quote, gabapentin may cause vision changes, clumsiness, unsteadiness, dizziness, drowsiness, sleepiness, or trouble with thinking, end quote. Mayo Clinic also suggests that you, quote, make sure you know how you react to this medicine before you drive, use machines, or do anything else that could be dangerous if you're not alert, well coordinated, or able to think or see well, end quote. Other than that, I see absolutely no restriction. So gabapentin doesn't look like a narcotic. And even if it was, I haven't been able to locate a Canadian law stating that prescribed medication cannot be within the reach of a driver. I only found that, and this comes from the Government of Canada website, you need to keep all medications in their originally labeled containers, and you need a copy of the original prescription and a doctor's note explaining why you're taking the medication. So if there's not a law, these cops are making stuff up, and they're either ignorant of what gabapentin really is, or they're willfully lying about it being a narcotic.
It's not narcotic. I
It
was
is
driving,
narcotics.
and I have
Gabapentin is
cancer,
narcotic.
though. I just told you.
It doesn't matter. So you're driving under the influence of narcotics? Is that what you're telling me?
No,
You
'cause
told
I'm
me you
not
have to take
driving.
me-
Yeah, and I have
But you
to.
told me you were driving. You got tired. You switched. You told me you have to take these 3 times a day.
Yeah, I do, and then it says right on the pill bottle,
Gotcha.
and it doesn't affect my driving.
Gabapentin doesn't.
No, it doesn't.
It does. You
Not
can't
when
take
you
a
have
narcotic.
colon cancer and you're terminal.
I understand. It doesn't matter whether you have cancer. Cancer doesn't improve your
Yeah,
driving
it
ability.
does.
Cancer improves your driving
No.
ability? It makes you a better driver?
It just
you're in
those
possession-
pills don't affect me
But
though.
I have no proof that you were the one taking them. I have no proof that she
Those
wasn't
are my
taking
pills.
Unfortunately, this is where the video ends. And from what I've seen, neither Ashley nor her mom got arrested, but many are saying in the comments that this is harassment and that she should lawyer up and press charges. What do you think? Ashley does give a good piece of advice in one of her videos. She says, Make sure you video record if you get stopped by police because they can straight up lie to get you put in jail. We totally agree, Ashley. We totally agree. I'll leave the link to Ashley's TikTok page in the description below. Before you leave, hit that subscribe button, like and share this video, and grab a Stop the Pignorance shirt or hoodie, become a channel member, but more importantly, know what your rights are and flex your rights. If you don't use your rights every day, you will lose them. I will see you in the next video.